In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a card from DHgate. So this is actually a bit tricky because it's not inside your settings, so here's what you're going to have to do. Now over here, you will have to go inside one of the orders. So let's just do this. Now I'm going to try to order something random over here. So for example, these shoes over here. Let me just open this and I'll show you how to remove your card in case you've used it in previous purchases. So I'll just select something over here and then a random color and a size, it doesn't matter right now, +1, there we go. And then once you click on buy now or add the cart over here, and then you go to your checkout page. So if you click buy now, this is going to be the checkout page. You can close this. And then over here under payment method, in case you have ever purchased something with a card inside your DHgate account, you'll see your card over here. So it's going to look like this, but the card is actually going to be here. So what you want to do to remove it, there's going to be kind of a trash can icon to the right of it over here. So I have no cards added in this account, so I can't show you how it looks like, but it's pretty easy to spot. So it's going to be a card, your card details, and then on the right, you'll see a trash can icon. Just click that trash can icon, and then your card will be removed from DHgate. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.